Hello students, how are you? Fine? Ready for study? As we were studying topic computer memory. Before going ahead, I would like to explain again memory and its type, as I felt that I should explain it again on the basis of your responses. In general term, memory is the retaining power of our movements of life, capacity of remembering things in the brain. It is learning power of the brain. In terms of computer, memory is the capacity of computer to hold data, program and instructions. It may be temporary or permanent. It is workspace that tells capacity of computer to open programs, graphics, amount of data that can be processed at the same time. Memory size tells about the working speed of computer. If size of memory is small, then processing speed becomes slow, and vice versa. It means size of memory is larger, then processing speed become faster. Memory consists chips on motherboard. Apart from computer memory, computer system also have some additional memory devices which is used to store programs, applications, data, files and folders permanently. So, on the basis of this, computer has two types of memory: main memory or primary memory. It is also known as internal memory of computer. Second is secondary memory, which is used to store huge amount of data. Let us explain main memory or primary memory of computer. It may be volatile or non-volatile. Volatile memory is temporary memory, that is, it loses its content when the computer turned off. So, we have to save data before computer turned off. Non-volatile memory is permanent memory. Content of it does not lose when computer is turned off. Primary memory is made up of semiconductors. Computer cannot run without primary memory. So, on the basis of use and working of memory, types of primary memory are RAM. It is temporary or volatile in nature, as well as computer turned off, data erased from RAM. ROM, read-only memory. It is non-volatile or permanent memory. CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is less permanent than ROM and more permanent than RAM. RAM, random access memory, is primary memory. It is volatile in nature. It is temporary memory. As I have already told you, RAM is composed of chip. Computer uses RAM to store data and instructions. When we turn on computer, operating system and certain files loaded in computer system from storage device. These files remain in RAM as long as computer is on. As well as computer will turn off, content of RAM chip will be lost. RAM stores instructions, programs for processing data, processed data, instructions that control the basic function of computer. Before switch turn off computer, we should save our important data from the RAM. Otherwise, it will erased from the computer system. Program instructions transfer in and out of RAM. Now, how does program and instructions are transferred from the RAM? When we start computer, operating system is loaded into RAM. Or when we open any program, for example MS Word, MS Excel, the program instructions are loaded on RAM. When we exit program, program instructions are deleted from the RAM. There are three types of RAM: dynamic RAM, static RAM, and magneto-resistive RAM. Dynamic RAM, DRAM. It is most popular RAM, less costly. There are many types of DRAM. SDRAM, synchronous DRAM, DDR SDRAM, double data rate SDRAM. Naturally, it will be more faster, as clear by the name. Data transfer rate is double. DDR2, DDR3, DDR4 are second, third and fourth generation RAM respectively. As they develop, their quality is better than the previous one. Now RDRAM, Rambus RAM is faster than SDRAM. Static RAM. Static RAM is very efficient and fast, but it is more expensive. It is used in a small amount to improve performance of computer. It is stored frequently used data to give speed to the processing of computer. Magnetostatic RAM is newer RAM. Data is stored by magnetic charge. I think now concept of memory is clear to all of you. Listen it carefully and try to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.